I got so much to prove. My expectation was to be waking up early and washing my bike, but sadly I woke up late. Now I have to go to my internship instead. It's a very beautiful day, and then my grandparents are having food, and my shoes are torn. Woo! And I got scolding because of that. Bike la grease the.
No, mayak mo
Yo, bike chalan de laga wale. Finally changed my shoes. Hey, jida lagay na jazba. So yeah, as you can see, my bike is so dirty. Let's go cold start. Should I take the left? Oh, there's traffic. Or the right? I'm taking the left. Is there traffic? Yeah, there is traffic. The worst thing of Dimapur is that there's traffic all the time, and that sucks. Even on Sundays there's like traffic. Bye, dekh kar chalao. Just check out the traffic, man. Oh, finally highway. Damn, I wonder why there's so much traffic. I mean, to be in a highway and still face traffic, that's really boring. Lovely weather, lovely weather. Please, dear God, I hope my audio will be audible when I'm editing this. Okay, no signal. Alright, comes up. Kariwa, JJ. So we're at 7th mile right now, and then I'm screaming because I don't have a mic adapter. I don't know, this is where it gives me that vibe where like people in other places meet up, like bike meet up, car meet up and all that stuff. So it gives me that place. Funny. So here I am, my office. I mean, I'm just taking an internship, but am I eligible to see my office?
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna be going for my lunch now. So see, there comes up the car. So this is my bike. Oh, I think I'll make a detailed explanation of what I've modified my bike with later. Oi, Barley. Barley. 5 minutes later. You know, GoPro's like mic is much better when I'm talking it when it's facing me instead of me talking from the helmet, because I think the mic is outside here somewhere. Sting, some hosas, and then I wait for thumbs up now. I'm really hungry.
A few moments later.
It's finally here after 20 minutes, so we're gonna be having our samosa. Without Osnab.
तो अजी देखि भएछ म निरे जेसीबी शोरूम ला भाडे छे और तुम जना काम दो सबे स्टिंग न खाबी को खाया जे छबी आ सबसे FSSAI ला दे सबसे बिया वाला भी न खाबी गुना लिखिन था अजी खाइ दे तो जानी पाए से अजी ताइगे इदु खादो किना फिलिंग होय
Mongano. Then I leave. Should I take it from here or I just go from here? I think I'll just take care. Don't want to be breaking rules. Hello.
Yeah,
ही पटक के चोट देंगे चल निकल मादर
No car, let's go. We're gonna go for a ride, I guess, because my boys are waiting for me outside. So let's see where we reach. I mean, we're trying to make a reel, so let's see if we do or not. So the boys are waiting for me there, but I don't see our snub. I hope he's there. And then I hope my voice is audible here. And then I have to take a right from here. But then there is an auto coming. Oh, yes, I can take this right now. Lucky. Woo! Ayun, hello. Rasta rin, hello. Hello.
भैया ये कैमरा है
कौन है क्यों है
So everyone is here now. We're gonna go for a ride. $3. Today's lineup. Chalo. Exhaust gang, exhaust gang. I don't know where we're going. Right. बहुत कुछ जहाज है कुछ जहाज है We were going to go to Patkai but we reached at Mitsivima. So now I'm handing over my camera to Navneet. Uska angle dekh lo.
Just morning for angle.
Yes, ma'am.
के साथ है
Expensive table.
Hello.
Branded table.
So guys, फिलहाल अब हम चाय के मजे लेते हुए और एक बार हमें चेक करो क्या हाल चाल भाई हो गए ये तो अभी चाय की चुस्की लेते हुए ये ब्लॉग एंडिंग करेंगे अभी नहीं 2 मिनट रुको थोड़ा चाय पी लो
Now we are going to a petrol pump to make a reel. So I guess I'll edit it and upload it on my IG. So yeah, let's see which petrol pump we get. So I think I'll show what we do when we reach the petrol pump. So yeah, making our reel here. So we're currently shooting reels right now with our bikes. And then yeah, I don't know how the reel is gonna come out, but I'm gonna be uploading it on Instagram. We're trying our best, so yeah, let's see how it will come out. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. Bye bye. Kudos.